It is Sunday, January 17th at about 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm just working on exporting the latest vlog, and I will post it probably later. Having some coffee, and yeah, not a whole lot to do today. Probably just going to move stuff out of my closet since my clothes are still in there. I have a few chores to do, like cleaning and all that. And obviously I still have stuff to bring in from the studio, but I don't know how much that I'll do today. I'll have to see. Probably just gonna work on the closet stuff for the most part. And my room, because I still have a cabinet in here I gotta move. But otherwise, it's pretty much done. I still have a few boxes in here that have to go back in there, but that won't take very long. And then I'm also going to do a bit of organizing, because obviously this place is not organized at all. So yeah. And I think that's pretty much what I'm going to do today. I should do something more artsy, just because I haven't for some time. But I don't know, because everything's in disarray, so it makes it a little more difficult. Mom's keyboard recently stopped working, and she would prefer a backlit one. So I went to Amazon to look for one. And there's a Reddragon one on there that's white with pastel lights, and I was like, so I got that for me. She can use my Razer Chroma keyboard that I have right now, because I like that white one so much better. So yeah, that should be coming tomorrow. So yeah, that's kind of cool. And yeah, I'm going to drink my coffee and wait for this to be done exporting, and then I'll upload it. Hey, you! Yeah, what are you doing? Bird? What is it, bird? I'm being plagued by those tiny flies again. How did it get in here? There ain't no plants. Gonna destroy that. Terror. That's not funny. Quit your giggling. Little boy. Quit bird. What's over there? Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Where is Mumbles, huh? Yeah. Where is Mumbles? He's not here, is he? Nope. He's in bed. Why is that funny? What are you even snickering about over there? Quint. Hey, bird. Are you fluffy? Look how big and fluffy. Ooh. Yeah. Hi, baby. Gonna echo? Hi, bird Quint. You cute. What? Did you say my boy? No, what you said. Terrors of the Seven Seas. Hi, bird. Is that all you're gonna say? Burble? Are you measuring again? Making sure it's big enough for your man cave. Why do you talk when I talk? You try to talk over me. Kisses. Hi, baby. Bird. You so smart. Did I call you out? Sweetie. Hmm? Hmm? Quint Bubbles. Did you say Bubbles? Oh, Mumbles. Okay. Quint Mumbles. Where you going? Oh no! You mighty terror, what are you doing in my bedsheets? Huh? What have you come... What have you come to get into? Hey boy. What are you doing? Oh no. The clothes thief. What are you doing? Get out of my clothes. He loves... He loves clothes hangers, and I have no idea why. What's the deal? Come off it. Where are you going? Ain't nothing to do over there. Really have no idea. Excuse me. Quentin. Are you just gonna walk from each clothes hanger to the next and fall off? That last one's a little light. Where are you going? There's a big old something up there, isn't there? Something in your way. I don't know what that is. Some sort of blanket. You're mighty quiet. Don't tear it up, please. Don't even get an idea. You're not going down there. I don't know why you didn't get in there when it was empty. Instead of now when it has clothes in it. Typical child. You're gonna get stuck. Where are you going, potato? Oy. Instead of moths in my closet, I have African greys climbing in my clothes. You're gonna fall off there in a minute. It's a good thing you can fly. Unless I'm not saving your butt. Where are you going? Up. Well, you made it. Congratulations. Now what are you gonna do? Ain't nothing else to do in there. Yeah, I know, there's a blanket in your way. But I didn't put it there. Act like I put it there. That was there before. What are you doing up there? Gonna make a nest in the blanket? Never gonna get you down now, am I? Okay, so I got a lot of the, at least my clothes and stuff out of the closet so far, and I still have to get, obviously, the backpacks and the remaining clothes stuff, and then obviously I'm gonna keep that plastic thing in here probably, because it's useful. And I have a drawer in the other room that I can put my socks and stuff in. That's my Lion King throw. I don't know if I'm gonna take the suitcases or not, because those are technically for cons and stuff, because I don't really use them otherwise. So I might leave them in here, I don't know. Also, there's a box up there that I don't know what's in it. I'm gonna have to look on my database because it's numbered, so. And Canvas is up there too. Also, I drug in my collapsible table in here, and we're trying to take apart the TV. So far, so good.
Whichever door you go out.
Good morning, baby. Hi, bird. What's she doing? Are you cute? You're a strange one, aren't you? Cutie pie. Where do you think you're going? Good morning, guys. It is Monday, January 18th at almost noon. Obviously I'm a little late getting to this today. I've been mostly just cleaning, and I found my old Wacom Intuos tablet that my ex lost the pen to. So, you know, it's just a tablet, which is useless to me. So I'm putting that up on eBay to sell, because without a pen I really can't use it, and somebody might need one that has a pen. I don't know. So yeah, I'm selling it on eBay, and hopefully somebody can get some use out of it, because I can't, obviously. I went through a box that was in the closet this morning and got some crap out of it that I didn't need. So doing a little more decluttering, obviously. I've been working on a bit of art this morning. I ordered another backup tablet, because that was the whole point of that one, was a backup tablet in case my Surface decides to fuck out on me, because sometimes it just does. So that was the point of the Wacom, was a backup tablet, but they're not really backing up. It really doesn't have a pen, so I got another one. It's a Shuon, I believe, one of the cheap ass ones, obviously, but that's the whole point, is it's just a backup anyway, so it doesn't have to be something expensive. Why are you focusing on the chair? How dare you, stop that. I set up my studio lights in here so far, and everything seems to be, I've done some hecka jerry-rigging of the power strips and shit below my desk, because, you know, every plug is a different fucking size, so you can't just plug a bunch of things into a power strip. It ends up getting very problematic. Because, you know, it won't all fit on one power strip, so I have like 3 or 4 power strips down there. I have one dedicated just to the studio lights, so I can flick the tab on the studio light power strip to turn them on. Here, I'll show you. Come on. See? Oh, there we go. See, I can just hit the power strip and they will come on and off, so it's easier that way. That was the whole point in the first place, so I got that set up. And I put up some cute green lights around the desk itself, because I had them and they were cute. So, you know, green and pink is sort of my aesthetic, so I figured green would work. And my pastel keyboard is coming today from Amazon. My teeth aligners are on their way. They said they would be delivered the 22nd, so we'll see. And tomorrow, I believe, my second webcam is coming, so that would make 2, which is good, because that's the whole point. I needed another one because I would need one for the face cam, and then another one for the over the art style. And of course it snowed again, so I can't get much more in here unless I want to drag it through the snow, which is irritating, because I would have liked to get my drafting table in here today, but can't very well drag that through the snow, so I suppose we could put it on top of something, I don't know, or just carry it, but it would just be difficult that way because it has wheels. It could roll, but you know, it can't roll in snow because then it would just be gross. I suppose I could clean it off. I don't know, I think the legs are metal, so I suppose it wouldn't be too bad if it got wet. This thing's focusing strangely. Anyway, it is almost noon, so it will be coming the time to feed the dogs soon. But otherwise, I was going to do a little more organizing, and we're still working on getting the TV back up and running. We don't have an LED tester, which would be very useful for such a thing, because we don't know what LEDs in the TV are the ones that that fucked off, so it could be any of them. And not having an LED tester makes it very difficult to figure out which ones are the ones fucked up. So Mom's thinking about ordering one of those. And yeah, that's the only thing holding it up, because we got the LCD panel off and it is sitting on the floor in the game room at the moment. But obviously that is very dangerous, because that could be broken very easily. So the door is closed, so nothing can go in there like a dog. But I'm just surprised we got it off in one piece. But so far, I suppose now that since it's my TV that I just bought for the game room is the same brand as the one that just broke, I at least know how to take it apart and fix it if it if it does the same thing. I just hope they've updated it since then, because the one in the living room was older than the one I just put in the game room, so let's hope they fixed that problem. But, you know, who knows? We're broke assholes, so we have to fix the TV ourselves instead of just getting another TV. Because the only reason my TV was so cheap is because I got it on Black Friday, so $150 for that one. But can't do that unless it's Black Friday. So I suppose we could just get another TV on Black Friday, but might as well fix this one in the meantime, see if we can get it to work again, because we paid a hell of a lot more for it comparatively. Allie, what are you doing? Get out of here. Shoot. Little dog in my things. She's coming in here to look for something to steal, and I know it. She likes to eat erasers, so I have to keep eyes on her. Or else she'll just steal an eraser somewhere, and I'm slowly running out of erasers thanks to her. But anyway, back to what I was saying. The TV was too expensive, so we might as well try to fix it if we can fix it. It's supposedly just a simple thing as an LED being fucked off, but obviously taking it apart, it was a hell of a lot more than we bargained for. But now that it's apart, we might as well fix it. So yeah. And I sold that wolf jacket that I was going to sell to Salen, because she apparently has a friend that wants it. So I'm gonna send that off to her friend today. And it's so much easier to mail clothing and shit, because you just have to throw it in the box. And no packaging required, really. So I gotta do that in a bit. My face scratch seems to be a little better today, which is good. Also, Smile Direct sent me a 3D sort of rotation device of what my smile is going to look like when they are finished fixing it, and it's glorious. I can't wait to have straight teeth, because like that's straight and these are straight, and then down here is straighter. I didn't realize that my bottom jaw or my bottom teeth were that screwed up, but looking at them on the 3D scan thing, they're really screwed up. But I will probably insert a thing showing you the 3D doodad, because it's really cool. And so yeah. I probably want to record a video of playing some games or something for the first time, because I had a lot of games for Christmas that I haven't played yet, because I have no time whatsoever to do anything. So I might do like a playthrough or something of those and post it on YouTube, because I think that would be fun. Salen requested that I do that I do a playthrough type video for the one she gave me, which is called like Subnautica or something, I think. So I probably will do that one specifically just because she wants to see my reaction to that. So I will probably end up doing that. Maybe today. It's Monday, so I don't know. So far still not gotten any commissions for a while, so I really need to get back to work on Frosty's head, but obviously since the studio is in a bit of disarray at the moment. Also, my nails are so bad, but the studio is in a bit of disarray at the moment, so you know, that may or may not happen because I need to get everything organized and set up and blah blah blah. I brought Quentin in here earlier this morning figuring that he would behave because I thought he was going to be more afraid of the room because everything's moved around, but he didn't. Plus I thought for sure he would be afraid of my chair because he's never seen a desk chair like this. No, he was completely fine. He ignored my desk chair like it didn't even exist, and he got into everything. The bunch of empty shelves around here apparently just lit him up because he just loves shelves. He loves getting into shelves, and when there's stuff in shelves, he will just literally throw himself at the shelf and knock everything out of it. So empty shelves are even better. So he was just practically in every shelf. So yeah, that was a bit of an annoyance. I might go get him again when I move some shelves around and shit so that he can't just actively get in every shelf. But yeah, he mostly was just annoying me. But that's what he does. He annoys me. He tries to destroy things. He destroyed that plastic bag all over my room and I still have to clean up. The boy is a destruction. But I'll probably just work on some art and clean up more because stuff is everywhere. I have to move some furniture around in my bedroom because I still need to get my not safe for work cabinet out of here. Because it's sometime in the background and I make sure it's not in the background because that would be bad. But anyway, YouTube doesn't like that kind of stuff. So I will have to end up moving that probably today. I also want to get the plant stand all fixed up because I plan on, I don't know if y'all can see, Gregory is back there. He will probably be on the top of the stand that I'm going to bring in here, and then I'm going to bring my other plants in here from the other studio into the right studio and put them all up there. And I also have some plant light strips that I want to put on like the bottom of the shelf for the ones that are lower down, because obviously they're all going to be in front of the window, but the ones on the lower shelf will probably get less light, so I wanted to get a plant light for them. So I have those to install on the shelf, and then also to bring my plants inside. I wonder how they would fare if I brought them into the snow and then back inside. I can't imagine it would hurt them if they're just outside for like a split second, but anyway, the pothos is going to be a bit of a pain to get in here because he's spread out all over the damn place. He's wider than a freaking mile, so I'm gonna have to see about that. I hope not to break him too much, but you know, he's giant, so we'll see. But otherwise, I'm probably gonna go get more coffee before 2 o'clock because I didn't drink nearly enough coffee yesterday and I was hecka tired. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that. Well, that was a goddamn disappointment. I got the keyboard earlier and turns out the fucker is not actually backlit. The keys were not backlit. The whole keyboard's backlit. You can't see the fucking keys if they're not backlit. That's the whole point of getting a backlit keyboard, is because the keycaps are clear. Those were not. So I'm returning the bastard. And my internet just crapped out on me. Why? Why are you crapping out on me, internet? What did I do?
2015. My mom called me to tell me that my sister's in the hospital. She had an overdose. It was ruled out as an unsolved homicide. Her skull was cracked. My mom's grieving, so she needs someone to blame. And she's not understanding why it's me. I want to be able to trust my mom. I want to be able to be in her presence without feeling like she's up to something.
Why are you being so loud?
Got something in the back of her mind.
Sir.
It's uncomfortable.
Sir.
To know that your safe place is no longer your safe place.
Good morning, guys. It's the next day. I sound a little funny because I have my liners, my clear liners from Tomorrow Direct Club today. They're weird. And they make it harder to talk, but you know, that's what happens. My face hurts. That stupid thing. But anyway, I got my webcam today and also my liners, obviously. I sound a little funny. But pretty much all I did last night was work a little bit more in here, and then I went to bed. So yeah, I'm going to end this vlog here. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Thank you.